Hello. So the second half of this week, we're going to be looking at solving again, but just kind of adding a little extra step. So we're still going to start it the same way, where I want to isolate the variable and get rid of what's furthest away first. So like this one, I would start with subtracting 1, and then that would cancel these out, and I would get 20 to the 3x power equals 23. So I still now want to get the x out of the exponent, but it's important to remember that 3 is going to stay with it. So I'm going to rewrite it as a log, and the base of my log is the base of the exponent, and the other two switch. So I would just have to type this in to the calculator. If I do that, I get 1.04. Uh-oh. It's frozen. Sorry. Okay. So 1.04, oops, equals 3 to the x. So now there's just one more step where I have to get x all the way by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. I get 0.346 or 0.347 if you round. Okay. So with this one, that dot again is multiplication, so I am dividing by -7. So I get 9 to the k minus 5 power equals 2.43. And then I rewrite it as a logarithm. So to get the k out of the exponent, because remember we're doing the inverse. And a log is an inverse of an exponent. So I'm going to write the word log, and the base of my exponent is base of my log, and 2.43 and k minus 5 switch. So when I type that into the calculator, get 0.40. And to get rid of a minus 5, I just add 5 to both sides. So k would equal 5.40. So for the next one, I'm going the other way, but still kind of the same thing. So I will first divide by -2. I'll get log base 9 of a minus 8 equals -1. And then I rewrite it as a log. So the base of my log is the base of my exponent. So I've got 9 and then the other two switch. So 9 to the negative 1 power equals a minus 8. 9 to the negative 1 is 1 over 9, which is about 0.111, like continue, well, it's 1.111 continuing. So I'm going to add 8 to both sides. So A equals 8.11 or 73/9. I want to leave it as a fraction. Either of those. Okay, one more of those. So when there's a plus, that means I have to do the opposite of this. So I'm going to add 7 to both sides. Excuse me. To make these cancel out. So that way I get log base 4 of 2v equals 2. So then I rewrite it in exponential form. So the base of my log is the base of my exponent. Then the other two switch. And 4 squared is 16. So to get v by itself, I divide to get rid of that 2, and I get v equals 8. So it's the same thing we've been doing, just a little bit extra. Just like one extra step.